Value in motion is really all about a huge fundamental change to all industries. And financial services works with all industries. They fund the industries, they invest in the industries, they need to understand that change. The scale of the change is absolutely enormous. The big tech firms are now spending more on R&D than the entire US government. You've got data center growth growing at huge percentages all around the world. From an opportunity perspective, if you look at the client side, what they could finally do with data, understanding trends, understanding opportunities with their clients is just enormous. On the cost side, on the opportunity side internally, these are knowledge-based companies, and we know that AI will have a huge impact on the efficiency of knowledge-based companies. So the winners will be the ones who can harness that external opportunity while also delivering it in a really efficient way. You also have the sectors within financial services competing and cross-fertilizing. So if you look at something like private credit, the role insurance plays in investing and funding, the way asset management are getting into the funding game, these are individual sectors within financial services competing with each other. And we're also starting to think, well, where could these developments go? What does the future of these sectors and industries look like? Business model reinvention for financial services firms is going to be absolutely critical. So one of the really exciting areas we're seeing is developments of insurance as a service. So moving from protection fee model to prevention model. Insurance companies start advising their clients on how to prevent the risk occurring, as opposed to simply being the backstop for when it does. We know through value in motion, the customer's going to change. So you're now looking at an ecosystem environment rather than an individual point customer. So you should be looking at how you can fund and ensure that entire value chain. And if you're not operating across the whole value chain, you're missing a huge opportunity. You could also look at selling things that you do to other customers. We know that there are startup banks who've got amazing software, who've then gone on to sell that as a service to other banks. But if you think about a bank, it is really a data warehouse factory. What could you do with that data if you had a better way of aggregating, analyzing, and challenging yourself? The opportunities are huge. And at the moment, the banks and the insurers and the asset managers are only just scratching the surface of what they could possibly achieve.